ever find yourself stuck in the middle of the sea, I'll sail the world to find you. If you ever find yourself lost in the dark and you can't see, I'll be the light to guide you. Find out what we're made of when we are called to help our friends in need. You can count on me like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count on you like 4, 3, 2, and you'll be there. 'Cause that's what friends are supposed to do, oh yeah. Ooh, yeah, yeah. If you're tossing and you're turning and you just can't fall asleep, I'll sing a song beside you. And if you ever forget how much you really mean to me, every day I will remind you. Oh, find out what we're made of when we are called to help our friends in need. You can count on me like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count on you like 4, 3, 2, and you'll be there. 'Cause that's what friends are supposed to do, oh yeah. Ooh, that's what friends are supposed to do, oh yeah. Ooh, ooh. You can count on me 'cause I can count on you.
विवेक, तुम्हारे को 40वें वर्षगांठ पर बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं, बहुत बहुत आशीर्वाद। ये 40वां जो वर्षगांठ होती है, ये बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट होती है एक व्यक्ति के जीवन में। पहले 40 वर्ष जो होते हैं वो असेंडिंग होते हैं, और ये दूसरे 40 वर्ष जो हैं वो डिसेंडिंग वाले होते हैं। तो अब तुम्हारा डिसेंडिंग कर्व शुरू होता है जीवन का। ये कर्व बहुत महत्वपूर्ण है। आगे चल के तुम्हारे ऊपर में जिम्मेदारियां भी बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ जाएंगी, उनका ख्याल रखना। एक बहुत महत्वपूर्ण चीज़ जो मैं तुमको कहना चाहूँगा इस स्टेज के ऊपर में, कि अपने क्रोध के ऊपर में बहुत कंट्रोल करना शुरू करो। ये आगे चल कर के तुम्हारे को बहुत फ़ायदा देगा। दूसरा, हिम्मत नहीं हारना। जैसी भी परिस्थितियाँ आएँ उनका सामना करना, और आगे तरक्की के रास्ते खुलते जाएंगे, ऐसा मेरा शुभ आशीर्वाद है तुम्हारे लिए, और तुम्हारे परिवार के लिए बहुत सारी शुभकामनाएं। आशा है कि जीवन में बहुत सफल होगे।
विवेक, आज तुम्हारा 40वां वर्षगांठ है, इसकी तुमको बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं, और तुम अपने तुमको स्वास्थ्य मिले, अपने व्यापार में तरक्की करो, अपने परिवार को बहुत अच्छी तरह से देखो, और तुम में बहुत काबिलियत है, तुम बहुत चीज़ों को कर सकते हो, तो तुमको वो आगे के लिए करने की हिम्मत रखनी है और करना है। और मेरा तुम्हारा हमेशा ही बहुत अच्छा साथ रहा है। आगे भी मैं यही चाहती हूँ कि तुम बहुत अच्छी तरह से अपने परिवार को, सब लोगों को देखो, और यही हमारा शुभ आशीर्वाद और प्यार है। खूब खुश रहो, तुमको अच्छा स्वास्थ्य मिले, अच्छा मन मिले, और सब कुछ भगवान अच्छा ही अच्छा करे।
Hi Vivek, wishing you a very happy 40th birthday. Time does fly very fast and we should enjoy every moment of living it. I can say a lot of things about you, but what I really like is the way you and Kanika take care to instill so many good qualities in dear Devina and Vivan. My best wishes to you. And I hope once we are through with these unusual times, we will have an opportunity for a much bigger celebration.
Happy 40th birthday, Chachu. We might interact with Devina, Chachi and Vivan more, but we have a lot of memories with you right from childhood in Agra to all the various occasions in Noida and more.
All those nights staying up late and playing games on the PS3 made for times that I will never forget, Chachu. So thank you for that. And once again, we wish you a very happy birthday.
Hi Papa, happy birthday. I love you so much. And remember, no matter how old you are, you're 40 or 100 or 1000, I really don't care. I will always be your little girl. Wait, I'm sorry, did I say little girl? I meant financial burden. You will always have me as a financial burden in your life, but I will love you so much, and I always do. And yeah, you're amazing. You're an amazing father. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Papa. I love you so much. Every time you go abroad, you bring me a Lego, and I love it so much. Since I was 2 years old, you used to get me Lego. But now I'm 7 years old and I can build such a big Lego. I don't know how much to thank you for all of these Legos you brought me. Happy birthday. I love you so much.
विवेक जी, आपको 40वां वर्षगांठ बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो, और हर साल आपका वर्षगांठ जो है इसी तरह से बीते, और हर वर्ष आपकी इसी तरह से इच्छा करते हैं कि बनती रहे, वर्षगांठ बनती रहे, और आपकी इसी तरह से तरक्की हो।
Birthday to you, Vivek ji. Our blessing with you always. I love you. Love you.
Wishing you a very happy 40th birthday विवेक बाबू। I love you। सादगी से बढ़कर कहाँ कोई श्रृंगार होता है, विनम्रता से बढ़कर कहाँ कोई व्यवहार होता है, हमारे विवेक बाबू से बढ़कर कहाँ कोई हमनाज होता है। Wish you a very happy 40th birthday।
Happy birthday Vivek ji. You are very special to me and you are the best for me. Happy birthday. बदमाशी मत करिएगा, नहीं तो काट के कौवा को दे देंगे।
Hey Jiju, happy birthday! Jiju, your suggestion is always helping me out in critical situation. I am very thankful to God to have you as a family member. You are my mentor, my biggest strength. Thank you for always being there for me, Jiju. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Jiju.
Cheers.
विवेक जी थाना बर्थडे की बधाई हो, खूब सुख पाओ, बहुत घुमाओ, और थे नाम माता काली भी आओ पूरी ना।
Happy birthday Vivek ji. Stay blessed and naughty at 40, huh? Happy birthday Vivek ji.
Happy birthday, Masu.
Happy birthday Jiju. May God bless you. Be happy and healthy always. Love you, miss you. काश लॉकडाउन जल्दी ख़त्म हो जाए और हम जल्दी से मिल सके.
Happy birthday, Wufu.
Happy birthday, Vivek ji. Have a super 40th birthday.
Happy birthday. Enjoy.
Happy birthday, Masu.
Happy birthday, sir. Wishing you a very, very happy birthday. You are not just getting a year older, you are getting a year better.
Happy birthday to my intelligent Jiju. You and Chutki Didi are couple goals for us. And may you achieve everything that you wish for in life. Happy birthday.
Hello Vivek Jiju, wish you a very very happy birthday. May God shower His choicest blessings on you. Take care. Bye.
Hi Vivek ji, you are my lovely son-in-law. A very happy 40th birthday to you. भगवान आपको खूब तरक्की दे, खूब दीर्घायु दे, खूब अच्छे से रखे कनिका बच्चों के साथ. मेरी यही शुभकामना और यही हार्दिक बधाई है आपको. हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू सर.
Happy 40th birthday, my brother-in-law cum brother. You're a friend, you're a guardian, you're an advisor, you're a guide to me. I look up to you. I'm so proud to have you as my Jiju. I love you and I miss you all and I wish to be in Delhi soon. Please, please, please have a great time and enjoy. But please remember our party is due. We need to have a trip, another one like Marbella. So don't forget that. Let's do it again soon. Sorry, it's not Marbella, it's Mallorca. Let's do it again.
Hi Jiju, how are you? During the tough quarantine times. Here's wishing you a very, very happy 40th birthday. Live life king size. We really have to party it up. I know you've been missing your Europe trips, but hopefully after the lockdown we can all go together and really party it up. That's it. Enjoy. Bye. Okay, recording again. Happy 40th birthday.
Masu, happy birthday to you. I want to come Delhi. I miss you.
Flying kiss.
Finally.